Your project is greenhouse effect. Please explain.
A greenhouse is a transparent glass house which traps heat inside with the help of few greenhouse gases, which are carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapors. These gases trap heat inside and does not let it to escape, resulting in a significantly increased temperature inside the greenhouse. The main source of greenhouse heat are ultraviolet radiations from sun and infrared radiations emitted by earth. The temperature inside the greenhouse gradually increases. The inner temperature is very hot than outer temperature, as you can clearly see that it is gradually increasing. It is also having a fan which cools down the greenhouse when the temperature exceeds the limit. It is mainly used to provide the most suitable conditions for living organisms to survive as ozone, and that's all. Thank you.
Excellent.
What about acid rain and its effect?
As we know that the rain clouds are made up of pure water, but sometimes it happens that some harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide used to react with that clouds water and make that water acidic. Because these gases are non-metallic oxides, and whenever they will react with water and oxygen in the atmosphere, it will make the acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, and many others as well. And that's all.
Thanks. Very nice.
Gentlemen, what about water conservation model?
As it has been expected that the future war would not be fought for the oil, it would be fought for the water. That's why I have made that water conservation model to show that how to preserve and to purify the water. So first of all, when it rains, the water comes from this mountain, from this forest, passes through that canal and went towards the first process named as sedimentation. In that process, the heavy particle like sand and dust would be settled down at the bottom. The rest water would be sent to the another process named as aeration. In that process, oxygen will pass to the water, the bad odor like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide will remove from it. For further purification, we will send that water to another process named as deionization. In that process, the hard water would be converted into soft water by the ion exchange method. So water would be completely purified. Afterwards, from these pipes, the water would be able to transfer to these housing societies, these factories, and use for the agriculture purposes. So this was all, sir.
Okay, well done.
The